Hello! In this video we will show how to carry out the unloading of the vending machine. We take the tablet. We pull out the shelf. In online monitoring, we enter stock taking of the vending machine. We press on Fill in the data. We count the remaining goods, comparing the numbers with the data in online monitoring, and we make corrections if necessary. We open and pull out the tube with plastic cups. We tap on all the hoppers and enter the preliminary data on the remaining goods in the tablet. On arrival to the base, we weigh the remaining ingredients on scales and enter the exact data in the tablet. We enter the amount of cups in the tablet. We enter the amount of stirrers in the tablet. We get to the unloading of the snack part. Unloading of the snack part should start with the bottom shelf. We carefully lay the goods in such a way so as not to spoil their marketable appearance, as these goods will later be used in other vending machines. We clean the empty cells. We follow the same procedure with all the other shelves. We get to the unloading of the coffee part. We put on gloves or clean our hands with some sanitizer. We move aside the tube with plastic cups. We stop the supply of whole bean coffee. We turn the spouts of instant drinks hoppers upwards. We remove the lid from the hopper, take a plastic bag, and carefully put the remains of the ingredient in it. We put the hopper in place. We tie up the bag. We write the name of the ingredient and its weight on a sticker and stick it to the bag. We follow the same procedure with all soluble ingredients. We open the hopper with coffee and carefully take it off the fixing grooves. We put the remaining whole bean coffee in a bag. We write information on a sticker and stick it to the bag. We clean the remains of the ingredients off the space under the hoppers. We fix the hoppers with some adhesive tape. We clean the remains of coffee off the coffee grinder and the central unit. Pressing on washing, we wash all the mixers. We remove mixers and tubes. We only leave one mixer in place. It is the fourth and last in the row. We switch on the washing of the fourth mixer. We wash the removed mixers under a jet of water. We assemble and put the mixers back in place. We put on the hoses. We remove the fourth mixer, switch on the washing of the first mixer, and wash the fourth mixer under a jet of water. We put it back in place. We don't forget to put on the hose. We take out the tray and the drip catcher of the slot of release of drinks. We switch on the washing of the first mixer and we wash the slot of release of drinks under water. We put them back in place. We carry out the cash collection. We make sure the tag matches the number of the machine. We put the tag in a bag. We put the coins from the cash box into the bag. Then we take banknotes from the bill acceptor and put them in the bag. We put the bag for money in the big bag so that it cannot be seen. We press on the operator's menu. We get to manual loading. We press on the button A of the coin acceptor. We trigger an automatic fall of coins from the tube A. We put the coins from the slot of release of change in the bag with proceeds. Then we press on the button B and trigger a fall of coins from that tube. We follow the same procedure with the other tubes. We make sure there are no coins in the coin acceptor by simultaneously pressing on the buttons A, B, C, D, E, F. We update the data online and check the statistics of monitoring. It is necessary to empty the air brake. We press on the button Technician in the menu of the vending machine. Pressing on button 8 of the snack keyboard, we get to the option Coffee Maker. Pressing on button 6, we get into the menu Coffee Maker. Pressing on button 8, we get to the option Empty the boiler. We press on button 6. We discharge water from the air brake. We switch off the vending machine. We take out the bucket with dirty water. We take the bag with residues. We take pipes out of the bottle, insert them in the spout of release, and take the bottle out of the machine. We put the bucket under the connection pipe of water discharge from the boiler. We switch off the vending machine. On the display, we see that the vending machine is in the service mode. We carefully unscrew the connection pipe. We pour water from the boiler into the bucket. We screw the connection pipe back in place. We take out the bucket with water. We tie up the bag with residues. We clean the bottom of the machine. We put the bucket back in place. We take out the service key. We switch off the snack part. We unscrew the decorative board and put it in the coffee part. We unscrew the second decorative grill and put it in the snack part, thus blocking the slot of release. Also, we unplug the cables, unplug from the connector and disconnect connection leads between parts of the machine. We carefully roll together cables and connection leads. We put them in a bag and put the bag in the bucket. We lock the snack and the coffee parts with a key. We make sure that the machine is locked.